Welcome to the show!
Ah, god damn it! Ah, Jesus. Yeah, hi and welcome to 3 Minute John. I'm alone today because the cameraman broke his leg. He hit a car with his bike.
Oh, fuck off!
And my assistant is also missing. Yeah, I think it's that time of the month. It's cold and I'm alone. I'm cold and alone. I hope you enjoyed this week's episode of Bloopers, because that's all we have. I wanted to tell you about the Facebook and some other stuff. But, yeah.
Never let me go. Is Amazon Echo spying on you? Oh my god, a Pokemon. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got one! Oh, it's an actual dog. Oh. I will kill you, Windows 10. Okay, we're waiting for Wana to calm the down. She's calm. And this is Wana. She's afraid of bugs. Oh my god! Use VPN to access popular sites that are blocked in the country, like WhatsApp, Wilder, and blah blah blah. As long as it isn't buy one for the majority of people telling us that we are what? I'm hot. I'm a hot bear. Off. A word that left from strike. Shot. Design a handbag that won't let you spend more money than with all it's fun like sucking. So be careful who you let near your computer. That it would be yeah, girl.
Solo party in the house! This was the show. Thanks again very much for watching. Remember to subscribe and leave a comment below. I'm John, and until next time, keep it safe and secure.